This is the elevator at the Lebanon View Apartments in Mount Lebanon, Pennsylvania. This originally owned Haughton, but sadly it was modernized with innovation universal. And it has general GAO on it, so that's interesting. Ground, trigger down. Here at the ground or sub-basement, maybe it's actually a garage. Has the original motor, that's nice. I don't know if this is the 80s general control or if this is the original Haughton controller. Got the 6. Darkle's gonna press the button and here you go. Here it's 6. Yeah, I think this is an 80s GAL general controller or 90s, but the motor's definitely original. Yeah, because it also would have stayed open if it was not used. If it was original Haughton, go back down to 1. General, no phone. Early childhood innovation fire certificate, modernized in 1996. The basic brown painted cab. Elevator cable and supply from 1975. There's Big Brother. You can tell there's an older camera there, but it got replaced with a newer one. Back on 1. Oh, that's not gonna be good.